Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna make keto snacks, easy from home keto snacks to make that are super good, low carb snacks, LCHF. We're gonna make some pepperoni chips coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. Look at these. I'm so excited to make the easiest, best keto snack. This is so simple if you want a quick from home keto snacks that you can make for LCHF, low carb, high fat eating, and you just want something quick and grabby, or for a keto lunch, y'all. I'm actually having this as my keto lunch, but I have had it for keto snacks. And what it is a pepperoni chip that I've made with some ricotta and cheese on top. Look at these high fats. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So let me dive in with the recipe. But first, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my e-newsletter at countessoflowcarb.com. Let's dive into the recipe. This recipe is so super simple. For a busy mom like me of a 3-year-old, having a hot husband, 7 businesses, I need quick, I need simple for keto snacks. 3 ingredients. 1, pepperonis, that are the big ones. 2, whole milk ricotta cheese. 3, shredded cheese. Now, I've already talked about shredded cheese before. Shredding your own cheese from a block is the best to prevent creepy carb additives in your keto snacks, but I don't have time. So I know that there's a carb additive. Literally what I'm gonna do is take my pepperoni chips, we're gonna cook them in the broiler, put the ricotta cheese on top, put the shredded cheese on top, cook it. This whole process takes under 10 minutes for a quick keto snack. So let me show you how I did everything. So this is one of the easiest keto snacks. I'm just gonna get my broiler set. I'm using, again, my little muffin pan. I'm simply gonna put my pepperoni in here. If you want a great video about nitrates, about deli meat, please feel free to check out Dr. Berry's in the description link below. But I'm gonna take my pepperoni and put them into my muffin cups. Then we're gonna take the muffin cups and put them into the broiler to broil for about 2 minutes or so until they get nice and crispy. And I'm simply just gonna kind of squish them down in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna take this and put it in my oven for 2 minutes. And I'm just gonna scoop some of my whole milk ricotta cheese and put some garlic powder and mix that together. For some additional ideas, you could put some minced onion in here. I liked just putting a little bit of garlic powder, but you could put some actual garlic that you've sauteed in here, add a little bit of olive oil to add some extra fats. I personally just wanted a little bit extra garlic powder. That's what I'm in the mood for. But I have that all set. Once my pepperonis have been cooked in the broiler, then I can simply scoop this on the interior and cook it. I'm just checking to see if these are crispy. Not yet. So I'm just gonna scoop my ricotta cheese into my pepperonis. This is what the pepperonis look like. They're super crispy, super crispy on the inside. If you want them crispier, you can put them for an additional few minutes. But I am ready to eat these things. So I'm simply just gonna put my ricotta cheese in the cups. And there's grease in here. If you wanna get rid of the grease, feel free to drain it or pat it. Again, I just don't care. And again, I'm just plopping my ricotta cheese down. Make sure you use the whole milk ricotta cheese to prevent extra sugar. And then now the cups are a little bit more pliable, more pliable from when they first were when I put them in. So I have my ricotta cheese, and I'm gonna sprinkle some additional whole cheese on top just for a little bit extra zazazoo. I'm using the taco shredded cheese from Aldi. Again, shredded cheese does have some cookie carbs in them with extra additives, so it's best to shred your own cheese from a block to prevent that. So I've got my Mexican cheese. I'm just gonna put this back into the oven and set the timer for like another minute and a half, 2 minutes. I'm gonna keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn in the broiler, but it makes it nice and crispy. Voila! Look how amazing that is. Does that not look delicious? Look how perfect that is. Whoa! Pork chop, do you like it? Are you in on the pepperoni cups? This keto snack is amazing. I'm loving this easy keto snack. It's so simple. Now all I'm simply gonna do is take my tongs and squeeze them together and pull out the cup. These pepperoni chips are delicious, baked all together. And it's okay if it gets a little squishy or messy. That's totally, I don't mind. It's gonna go in my mouth anyways. It's all gonna go in the same place. Oh my goodness, look at that. And it's a little crispy on top too with the crispy cheese added. That's some good fats in there. There you go. Look at that. It's so delicious. That is pure perfection. Quick editor's note, I made a second batch which is crispier. I just simply cooked these for 3 minutes on broil and then cooked this for 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 45 seconds to make the pepperonis just a little bit crispier. Totally taste preference, but this is, I wanted some a little bit crispier and wanted to show you this example as well. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and come back again and see my other playlist of keto snacks, which is down in the description link below. I've got tons of quick, easy keto snacks for LCHF and for low carb snacks that are super simple for busy moms on the go or busy dads, or no dads, no moms, just people on the go who want some high fats, low carbs. This is super simple. So give this video a like, click subscribe, but also if you're new to keto, make sure you check out the Mom's Guide to Ketosis. Look at that gorgeous lady, that's me. And this is my #1 Amazon release. It's on Amazon now. 6 months later, still going strong, having sold hundreds of copies to newbies who love keto. And if you have questions, this is a great, easy resource to get off of Amazon. And I'll see you guys again soon. Make sure you sign up for my free email newsletter down in the description link below.